Hi, I'm Dana Ward, co-founder of Preheels. Our product is extremely effective at preventing those painful, ugly blisters from shoes that rub your feet the wrong way. You just need to use it properly. I'm here to share 3 quick tips to help you get the best possible results with Preheels. First, let's talk about how Preheels works. Most shoe blisters are caused by friction, aka when your shoes rub back and forth on your skin repeatedly. High heels and strappy shoes are some of the worst offenders, but virtually all shoes can irritate your skin. Flats rub over the top of your feet, sandals irritate between your toes, and even boots and running shoes often blister the back of your heel. Preheels is like invisible armor designed to block all of that friction from any type of shoe. The spray dries quickly to form a clear, flexible, protective barrier on your skin, sitting between your feet and your shoes to block all of the rubbing that would normally give you blisters. Here's what it looks like on your skin once it dries. Preheels was developed through years of research and development to create a uniquely strong barrier that provides optimal coverage against blisters, more than 20 times greater protection than wax sticks, while also being extremely gentle on the skin. It's been proven both safe and effective in multiple clinical studies and never tested on animals. So how do you use Preheels? First, make sure your skin is clean and dry. Damp skin, oils, or lotions can prevent the barrier from bonding with the skin and properly forming. Shake the can well and spray from about 3 inches away to create an even, generous layer, but not so thick that the coating becomes drippy. Apply it anywhere your shoes normally rub against your skin. Allow the coating to dry for a full 90 seconds or until it is smooth to the touch and no longer sticky. This is really important. Preheels needs to dry 100% in order for the protective barrier to form. Apply a second layer over any hot spots that require extra protection. 2 layers is thick enough and there's no need for a third layer, but you can reapply hours later to strengthen or renew the barrier. After about 6 hours, the coating will naturally begin to break down and flake off, making it easy to remove with a washcloth and a little soap and warm water. Here's what it looks like when it begins to break down. Just a few other suggestions to help ensure you get the best results. Avoid spraying Preheels on painted toenails as the coating can dull their shine. If helpful, you can cover your nails with a tissue or apply lotion to them before spraying. Don't spray the bottom of your feet because Preheels is not designed to help with the type of blisters caused by pressure or if your shoes don't fit correctly. The product only prevents the type of blisters caused by friction. It's best to apply Preheels in an open area. The product evaporates quickly to help the coating to dry fast, so there will be an alcohol-like scent in the air for about 20 seconds. And remember, Preheels is for blister prevention only, not treatment. Don't spray it on skin that's already blistered or irritated. We hope that you love Preheels and that it helps you to wear the shoes you choose comfortably and without blisters. But if you have any questions, you can always shoot us a note to support@preheels.com. Thanks.